Hello everyone, I am Vaibhav Kale. Today we are going to discuss on the topic uh, antigen and the antibody. So first we talk about the antigen. So antigen is a molecule that initiates the production of an antibody and causes the immune response. So antigen are large molecules of proteins present on the surface of pathogen such as bacteria, fungi, viruses, and other foreign particles. Uh, when uh, when these harmful agents enter the body, it includes an immune response in the body for the production of the antibodies. For example, when a common cold virus enters the body, it causes the body to produce antibodies to prevent from getting sick. And then talking about the properties of the antigen. Uh, First property, the antigen should be foreign substance to induce an immune response. Then the antigen have a molecular mass of the 14,000 to 6 lakh. Then they are mainly proteins and polysaccharides. The more chemically complex they are, the more immunogenic they will be. Then the antigens are species specific. Then the types of the antigen on the basis of the origin. Mm, Exogenous antigen, endogenous antigen, then the auto antigen. Exogenous antigens means the external antigens that enters the body from the outside. It means example, inhalation, injection, etc. This includes food allergens, pollens, aerosols, etc. And then the antigens. Endogenous antigens means the antigens are generated inside the body due to the viral or a bacterial infection or a cellular metabolism. Then the autoantigens. Autoantigens are the cell protein or nucleic acid that due to some genetic or environmental alteration get attacked by their own immune system, causing the autoimmune disease. Then the tumor antigen is a antigenic substance. It is an antigenic substance present on the surface of tumor cells that induce an immune response in the host. Example, MHC first and MHC second. Many tumors develop a mechanism to evade the immune system of the body. Then another means last type of antigen is native antigen. Native antigen is that not yet processed by an antigen presenting cell is known as a native antigen. Then the on the basis of immune response. Antigen can be classified as immunogen, hepton. So the immunogen is a protein or a polysaccharides can generate an immune response on their own. Then the hepton hapten hapten are a non-protein foreign substance that require a carrier molecule to induce immune response. Then talking about the structure of the antigen, epitopes and anti-allergic determinants are the components of the antigen. Every antigen has several epitopes. An antibody has at least two binding sites that can bind to specific epitopes and antigens. The antigens combine with the antibody according to the lock and key mechanism. So this is about the antigen. Then we will talk about the antibody. Antibody is known as the immunoglobulin. These are large Y-shaped blood protein produced by the plasma cells. Then antibodies are the particles. Antibodies particles are foreign bodies that get attacked by the antibody. Then the structure of the antibody. And antibody has a Y-shaped structure made up of four polypeptide subunits. Each subunit has two identical uh, light and a heavy chain. Then types of the antibodies. Antibodies or immunoglobulins are of five different isotypes. This classification is on the basis of their H chain. So first is the IgM, IgG, then IgA, and IgD, and the IgE. So the five classes are due to the different heavy chains of the antibody with such as gamma Y chain for the IgG, then alpha chain for the IgA, then delta chain for IgD, then mu chain for IgM, then epsilon for the IgE. So first one is the IgG. IgG is a predominant immunoglobulin in normal serum. It's about 85% of total immunoglobulin. It is capable of binding complement. Then the IgM. IgM is a pentameric. IgM is a pentameric together five molecules. They have ability to catch antigen. It is generated in primary immune response. Then the IgA. IgA is present in secretion. Examples of the for the secretion cholesterol, breast milk, and the saliva. Then the IgD. IgD is helps to activate the P lymphocytes. It is 1% immunoglobulin. Then the IgE. IgA is an allergic reaction produced against in Ig is produced against in the allergic reaction. Example: inhalation through cough droplets, and the allergy after the injection. So this is about the antigen and the antibody. Thank you.